vehicle. Today, we're diving deep into a very common and often misunderstood trouble code, P0446, which points to a problem with the EVAP vent system performance. We'll specifically focus on how this plays out in many Buick vehicles, as their design has a few quirks you need to know about. So, if you've got that check engine light on and a P0446 code staring back at you, you're in the right place. First, let's do a quick refresher. What is the EVAP system? Its job is simple: to capture gasoline vapors from your fuel tank before they escape into the atmosphere and then route them back into the engine to be burned. It's an environmental protection system, and it's crucial for passing emissions tests. The P0446 code specifically tells us that the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, has detected a restriction or blockage in the vent side of the EVAP system. This means fresh air isn't getting into the system when it's supposed to. So, what are the common symptoms you might notice, besides the check engine light? The biggest one is difficulty filling up your fuel tank. The gas pump nozzle might click off repeatedly, long before the tank is actually full. This happens because the trapped air and fuel vapors in the tank have nowhere to go as you repumping fuel in, creating back pressure that shuts off the pump. In some rare cases, you might also notice a slight fuel smell or a minor dip in fuel economy. But the fueling issue is the classic sign. Now, let's get into the components and what usually fails. The EVAP system has a few key players: the charcoal canister, the purge valve, and the vent valve, also known as the vent solenoid. The purge valve is usually under the hood and controls the flow of vapors from the canister to the engine. The vent valve is typically located near the charcoal canister, which is often found near the fuel tank at the rear of the vehicle. The vent valve's job is to open and allow fresh air into the system to help purge the stored vapors, and also to seal the system for pressure testing. For a P0446 code, our primary suspect is almost always the vent valve and its associated components. This is where the Buick design comes into play. On many Buicks and other GM vehicles, the vent solenoid isn't just a valve. It's an assembly that includes a large filter box and a hose. The valve can fail electronically, but more often it gets stuck closed due to dirt, debris, or rust. Remember, its job is to let in fresh outside air, but that air isn't always clean. Spiders love to build webs in the vent hoses, and dust and road grime can clog the filter over time. So, how do we diagnose this? A professional would use a scan tool to command the vent solenoid to open and close, while monitoring system pressure with a smoke machine. This is the most definitive test. However, you can do some simple checks at home. First, visually inspect the vent valve and its hoses. It's usually a black plastic box near the charcoal canister. Look for any obvious cracks, damage, or blockages in the hose that runs from it. Sometimes the hose itself gets kinked or clogged. If the visual inspection looks okay, the next step is to test the solenoid itself. If you can safely access it, you can remove it. It's often held in place by a simple clip or a couple of bolts, with the valve removed. Try to blow through it. It should be open by default, meaning air should pass through it as hilly when it's not energized. You can also apply 12 volts to the terminals to see if it clicks and closes. If it doesn't do anything, the solenoid is bad. The most common failure we see, especially on these Buick models, is the entire vent valve assembly getting clogged with dirt. When you replace it, you're not just replacing the electronic solenoid, you're replacing the valve, the filter box, and sometimes a hose. It's often sold as a complete unit. This is actually a good thing, because it ensures you're replacing all the parts that are likely clogged or failing. Replacing it is usually a straightforward DIY job. You'll need to safely raise the rear of the vehicle, locate the assembly near the tank, disconnect the electrical connector and the hose, and unclip or unbolt the old unit. After replacing the parts, you'll need to clear the trouble code with a scan tool. Though clearing it with a tool is preferred. Then, drive the car through a full drive cycle to allow the computer to rerun its tests and confirm the fix. So, to recap, P0446 on a Buick often points to a clogged or failed vent valve, solenoid assembly. The key symptom is trouble filling the gas tank. Your best bet is to inspect the hoses for blockages and test the solenoid itself. More often than not, replacing the entire vent valve assembly will solve the problem for good. I hope this guide helps you track down and fix that annoying P0446 code. It's a manageable repair that you can definitely handle yourself. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more automotive tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.